Hello, this is Danielle, and this is the enhancement for activity. To start, I'll add the product path, and as you can see, I was directed to the product management page. And I got down here my two links, add a new category and add a new product. To start, I'll click on the add a new category link. I'll try to add the category without a category name, and as you can see, I got here my message. I'll add the row category, and as you can see, it was added. I'll go now to validate this page, and here we go. No issues found. Going back, validate the HTML. And no errors found. I'll go now, going back, I'll validate this page too. No errors found. I'll go now for the add a product. I'll try to add, and as you can see, I got this message. I'll add a test. I'll select the category. I'll select row. 10 for each one. Idaho, Daniel, good. I'll try to add, and as you can see, it worked. I'll show here categories, row, show here inventory, test. Now I will do this without selecting a category. Let's go here, Brazil. Você. And would I got here my error message, and now let's select a category and then add I'll go here, my database. As you can see, got test 2. I will validate this page. No issues found. And HTML. Again, no issues found. So this is my activity, my enhancement for. Thank you.